Hello everybody! Welcome back to part 3 of Taiwan. I'm Adrian, your host. I live in Taiwan. I want to show you around. Where are we today? Today we are at Nan Liao. Nan Liao is a small fishing port on Taiwan's west coast. It has a harbor, a park, several temples, and fish farms. There's lots of interesting things to come and see. Let's go take a look. First time we came to MiTuo, they were painting these walls. They finished them, done a nice job. This one's for my sister. Here we have the Gong. It's right opposite the lighthouse and the beach. This is the MiTuo fishing harbor, or NanLiao fishing harbor. Here is the Fishermen's Association. They bring the fish here in the morning, have an auction. All the local stores and restaurants will buy the fish, and another day starts. Taiwan, like Holland, along the west coast has some very low-lying areas. So they have reclaimed the land and turned it into fish ponds. Different areas have different fish specialties. I know Shuijia, further north, has milk fish as their specialty. Don't know what this area's specialty is, but there's lots of fish ponds here along this stretch of the coast. Here we have the Nan Gong. I'm not sure what the difference is between Nan Gong and Nan Gong. Same characters. If you know, leave a comment in the comment section below. This temple is a Gong, which is a land god temple. These are for farming. This is quite a big one. So here ends today's journey to Nan Liao Fishing Harbor. Hope you enjoyed the trip. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.